What is Go language? Go language was developed by Google in 2007 for APIs and web applications. Go has recently become one of the fastest growing programming languages due to its simplicity, as well as its ability to handle multi-core and network systems and massive code bases. Go, also known as Golang, was created to meet the needs of programmers working on large projects. It has gained popularity among many large IT companies thanks to its simple and modern structure and syntax familiarity. Companies using Go as their programming language include Google, Uber, Twitch, Dropbox, among many others. Go is also gaining in popularity among data scientists because of its agility and performance. Go developers can earn an average annual salary of $141,654 and hitting up to $261,000. Level: beginner to intermediate. Skills needed: easy to learn if you already know at least one other programming language. Otherwise, you just need patience and a willingness to learn. Platform: cross-platform, mainly desktop. Popularity among programmers: not as popular as Java or Python, but it has been increasing in popularity. Benefits: widely considered a minimalist language, easy to learn, transparent code, compatible, fast. Downsides: no generics, which means you may end up writing more code than you would in other languages. Very little library support. Go developer community is not very robust or supportive. Degree of use: widely used, particular for Google applications created at Google. Annual salary projection: $141,654. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.